Sunday. What up, guys? I know we're not used to us uploading on Sunday, but we're doing something different here. So we will be doing videos hopefully every Sunday moving forward. It's going to be a real short video just showing you how to install vinyl overlays. A lot of you guys ask about this. Installing vinyl overlays is something that we do here every single day. All types of different vehicles we do here in the shop. On this particular demo, it's going to be on a Subaru. It's a 2018 Impreza, but all of these techniques can be applied to any of our vinyl overlays. So if you watch the video and the car is not yours, very similarly, you can use these same techniques to install on your vehicle. If you want to look at product that we may have for your vehicle, go to premiumautostyling.com and use the discount code SAVE15. Let's get into the video. Oh, he's checking me. The new guy's checking me. The new guy wanted me to tell you guys. He stopped me. I felt good about my intro. I felt very confident. I know it's Sunday. I know you guys are chilling at home, but we're going to correct something. I said a very quick video. If our new guy's editing it, it's not going to be quick, but it will be thorough. Because that's how he works. He's good. He's very thorough. I'll tell you something about Christian. Go follow him on Instagram. Put his Instagram right here real quick. He's our new guy, but he's very thorough. When he comes to me with the project, he brings me a freaking book. So that's how he works. And in this video, you're going to see the exact same thing. He filmed this. He edited all of this. This is something new that we're going to be doing every Sunday. And Logic, our guy Christian, is going to be handling it. So let's get back into it. Whoosh. In this video, we're going to show you how to take your taillight from this to this. So to complete this project, you're going to need a spray bottle with water in it. You're going to need a heat gun to help conform some of the edges. You'll need a squeegee. We recommend getting the one with the felt edge on it. Also a blade. A nice new sharp blade would be ideal. Now obviously you need the pre-cut overlays available at premiumautostyling.com. If you don't have these tools handy, you can purchase them on the website as you're purchasing the vinyl overlays. You'll see an option that says purchase tools. You can get everything you see here and more. So let's get into the project and let's start with step one. Purchase the overlay. Next step, you're going to want to clean off the light. Third step, apply the overlay to the tail light, and then you get this cool finished product look. Pre-cuts. So this is for this side. Obviously there's the other ones for the other side. So you'll get both left and right. Step two of the process is cleaning the light. What we have here is a water and alcohol solution. So there's just a little bit of alcohol in here to help get rid of the grease, anything that's on the light. It's a brand new car. Tail lights are pretty clean. It's 2018. These pre-cuts are gonna fit 2018 Impreza sedan. So just squirting it down, cleaning it up, making sure we're getting any dust, debris, wax, all of that good stuff off. So before you get to installing, you want to make sure that the elements are right. And what I mean by that is making sure that you're not outside directly in the sun. That happens a lot. People will say, hey, my overlay stretched or got messed up. If you're sitting in direct sunlight, the vinyl does react to heat, so make sure you're doing it in a nice cool temperature, not direct sunlight. We are inside of our shop garage right now. It's about, I'd say, closer to 80 degrees in here, but I think recommended temperature would be like 75 plus. You don't want to do it when it's too cold as well. If you're too cold, it's going to be really hard to work with. Make sure you got good temperature before you get going. I'm going to go and spray the light down. This is just water now, only water. I'm going to grab my first overlay. I'm going to start with the bottom. When I position this, I'm going to start from the flat side. When you put this water down, it's going to allow this to kind of slide into place. And I'll make the curve. All right. Now that we got it laid on there with the water, you'll notice that you're able to still kind of move it around. So what I'm going to do is hinge it from the center, lock the vinyl into place, and now from here I can work this way and that way, pushing the water out. Another option you have is to lift it. You can lift like this and just work your water out towards the edge. The heat gun's going to help out and help you conform all the edges. The heat gun can be purchased on our website or any local hardware store. So what I'm going to do here is, if you notice, when we're pushing this water out, we got all the flat side down. There's still some water hanging out in this area and also over here. This is where it's going to come in. The heat gun's going to come in. We're actually going to be able to conform it. Side. So right now, what you're seeing is you got a little bit of a round edge. So for this step, you're gonna wanna open the trunk and we're gonna work this material around the corner. and we'll use the heat to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the heat here and pull that into place. Just a little bit of heat. So that's it for this part here. What you will notice is there in all of the taillights, you're gonna have a little dimple in this area. That's just in the taillight. All taillights have them. It does look like a thing of water. You can choose to pop it just to let some of that water out. There's no way around that. That's just in the taillight. Moving on to these, if you accomplish this one, these will be very easy. Same thing, squirting it with water. As a viewer of this taillight, you're going to be looking from up here. You'll never be down here, so it's definitely, you want to make sure you line up the top. And I'm unhappy with the way I placed this, so I'm going to actually bring it a little bit more this way to cover up some of the silver here. So with this vinyl, because we sprayed it, we're able to lift it back off the car. So all I'm going to do is respray it again. I'll be able to place it again. Like I did over here, I started from the center and I pushed the water down and up. So now we're hinged. We have this locked into place. We're gonna work this way and that way. And the goal here is to work the water out to the edges. Now to conform this all the way around, just give it a little bit of heat. Set it into place. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat here at the corner first, round that in. I'm stretching it a little bit into place. When using the heat gun, it's very, very important not to overheat the material because you will stretch or rip it. So what I'm doing is I'm just basically passing it over really, really fast, and it gives it enough to mold. So what I did is I rounded this corner. I'm going to use the blade to do some trimming right here just to get rid of some of the excess material. Because we stretched a little bit of that, it's a little out of shape now. All we got to do is use the blade to clean that up. So when you're running the blade on the taillight, you want to make sure it's very, very light pressure and you're using a good blade. These blades are available on the website too. I will mention that because it is important to have a good sharp blade. When you get them new, fresh out of the box, that's the best time. So at this point, all I did is a light pressure, just enough to score the material, and you see me release the excess material. Last step, just spray down the light. This is the last and final overlay. So like the other overlays, all we're gonna do is eyeball it, get it into place. Down. And now I can pick this up and work this way. You don't want to stretch the material. You're just picking it up and pushing the water through. As long as there's water sprayed down, you should easily be able to lift it out of place, and it won't stick until that water is pushed out. Alright, so I got the flat part laid. Next thing is to get this all conformed here, as well as up here and back over here. Light heat. Definitely don't want to go too much heat because you will burn the material. I'm just lightly passing over real quickly. If you overheat the material, you'll know right away. You'll probably burn a hole in the film and you will have to start back from scratch. We do sell replacement overlays on the website, so if you do make the mistake, you can easily purchase the replacement vinyl specifically for whatever you need. All you need to do is reach out to our sales team and they can get you dialed in with that. So the last part where most people are going to find difficulty is right up here. And the way we designed this overlay is it doesn't cover all the way at the top. It mainly just focuses on the flat side. The reason being is the average DIY is not going to be able to do this. So I'm going to show you how we designed the overlay, and it's still going to look good. It's going to be a little more DIY friendly. Apply a little bit of heat there. You're going to want to round it into place. thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the install video or you like the product, go to the description below. All the product information will be available there. You can actually purchase directly through the link as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing with these DIY. We have a ton more coming specifically for this vehicle, so stay tuned.